Matt Armstrong's Bugatti rebuild has everyone talking, and not just about the car itself. From the moment he started, the community has been weighing in, praising, criticizing, and debating every single detail of this extraordinary project. Every bolt removed, every panel lifted, every carefully measured part, viewers are watching closely, analyzing, and forming their own judgments. Every decision Matt makes seems to spark discussion. Every subtle move in the workshop creates conversation. Some call him the Bugatti Whisperer, and it's easy to see why. Fans are amazed by his mechanical skill, pointing to his hands-on experience with highly complex rebuilds. Only someone with Matt's knowledge could attempt to split a Chiron, untangle its one-color wiring looms, navigate the hydraulic systems, or inspect electronics without official schematics. Every component he measures, every custom part he adapts, is noticed by viewers who marvel at the precision and methodical problem-solving. To them, what seemed impossible is becoming tangible, visible, and understandable under Matt's guidance. The audience is fascinated not only by the technical work, but by the way Matt approaches each challenge with calm, deliberate steps, almost like watching a masterclass in hypercar reconstruction. Subscribe and turn on notifications now if you want to follow every detail of this historic Bugatti rebuild. Every update matters. Every decision matters. And this story is far bigger than a car. It's about engineering, persistence, and rewriting what's possible. But the praise comes with sharp criticism, aimed squarely at Bugatti itself. Fans accuse the brand of overcharging for parts, hiding components shared with other vehicles, and maintaining secrecy that seems more about control than engineering. Many viewers call out the CEO directly, questioning decisions that appear driven by profit and brand protection rather than technical innovation. The high price of a Chiron sparks constant debate, and when parts like Audi airbags or VW engine components appear inside a multi-million-dollar hypercar, the discussion intensifies. This rebuild isn't just revealing parts, it's exposing the brand's inner workings, its priorities, and the gap between perception and reality. Every revelation seems to challenge the image Bugatti has carefully cultivated over decades. Community engagement around this project has been unprecedented. Mechanics, engineers, and enthusiasts worldwide contribute advice, suggest solutions, and even propose experimental methods. Some fans recommend 3D printing, CNC machining, high-grade alloys, or casting new components from specialized foundries. Others analyze which parts are shared with VW and Audi, demonstrating that certain repairs are possible outside official centers, if you have the right knowledge and tools. Discussions about testing alloys, creating molds, machining blanks, and even improving upon factory originals have flooded the comment sections. Transparency and collaboration have become central to the conversation, turning a rebuild into a global technical experiment. Every comment becomes a piece of the puzzle, and the audience collectively explores solutions, debates strategies, and celebrates small victories as if they were part of the rebuild themselves. Skepticism also runs strong. Some viewers doubt Matt's ability, citing past mistakes with Porsches or Lamborghinis, or slow progress on other high-profile projects. Complaints about repetitive content, delayed updates, and occasional clickbait persist. The complexity of Chiron components, gearboxes, wiring, hydraulics, engine mounts, fuels caution, reminding everyone that even a single mistake could undo hours of meticulous work. Yet even the skeptics can't deny the methodical approach Matt takes. Every bolt, every loom, every fluid line is handled with care, precision, and a level of skill that earns respect, even from those who doubted him initially. Yet, despite the skepticism, the excitement is undeniable. Fans call this rebuild historic and potentially iconic. Predictions are flying that this Chiron could become more famous than any other, not for its top speed or price, but for the story behind its repair. The controversy has added fuel to the fire, sparking debates about repair rights, ownership ethics, and the transparency of hypercar brands. Comments range from admiration, Matt has the courage to tackle this, to outrage at Bugatti's policies, creating a constant tension that keeps viewers glued to every update. Some fans even dream bigger. They imagine Matt launching a repair service for Bugattis or other high-end vehicles, proving that this rebuild is not just a technical achievement, it's a challenge to industry norms. Others highlight the collective effort of the audience, sharing advice, encouragement, and solutions, transforming this into a live, global collaboration that few automotive projects have ever achieved. It's not just a car rebuild, it's a social experiment, a collaborative engineering journey where knowledge is shared openly and every detail is scrutinized by experts and enthusiasts alike. At the heart of it, the audience is deeply engaged. They admire skill, question secrecy, debate pricing, and contribute ideas. Every comment, suggestion, and reaction adds a new layer to the story, creating a sense of community collaboration and technical curiosity rarely seen online. Every insight shared by the audience adds to the narrative, making this rebuild bigger than the car itself. This isn't just a rebuild, it's a social experiment, a live drama, where every decision matters, and each update sparks conversation. The Chiron may be under repair, but the real story is about how one rebuild captured the world's attention, challenged assumptions, and tested the limits of a legendary automotive brand. Every day, the community grows more invested. They speculate about the next steps, analyze progress, and debate the implications for hypercar culture. The Chiron is more than a car now. It's a symbol of transparency, persistence, and curiosity. It's a demonstration that the impossible can be attempted, documented, and even achieved outside the walls of a factory. Every measurement, every alignment check, every custom part shows that precision and passion can defy expectations. The rebuild has become a narrative of courage, persistence, and skill, reminding viewers that knowledge, curiosity, and patience can challenge even the most rigid of systems. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because if you think this is just about a car, you're missing the bigger story. The audience is watching. The world is watching. And the Chiron rebuild isn't just happening, it's rewriting the rules of automotive history.